the entire financial system just changed forever. A strange thing happened. Most people didn't notice. There was no emergency broadcast, no stock market collapse, no dramatic announcement. Yet the rules that quietly governed money for decades began to shift beneath our feet. For years, the financial system ran on a familiar rhythm. Central banks raised interest rates to slow inflation. They lowered them to stimulate growth. Governments borrowed, banks lent, consumers spent. It wasn't perfect, but the machine was predictable. Then, everything changed. Pandemics, supply chain shocks, geopolitical conflicts, and rapidly advancing technology forced policymakers into decisions that would have seemed unthinkable just a few years earlier. Trillions of dollars were created. Government debt reached record highs. Digital payment systems expanded at lightning speed. Even the idea of digital currencies issued by central banks moved from theory to serious discussion. Here's the uncomfortable part. The system is becoming less about physical cash and more about digital flows of money, data, and trust. Every transaction leaves a trail. Every policy decision can ripple across the globe within minutes. Financial markets now react not just to economic data, but to algorithms, AI models, and headlines published seconds ago. Meanwhile, many people still believe the old rules apply. Save this way, invest that way. Wait for history to repeat itself.